This is André Taylor. In business, you have a choice. You can choose to do what's common or choose a higher level. Despite lots of meetings and talk, most businesses are more common than they think. Even those that claim a higher level often miss the mark. An exceptional enterprise must break boundaries, surprising clients with the uncommon. Taste, flair, commitment. Over the last 2 decades, I've helped superior brands, well known and barely known, live up to top shelf status. I've consulted in sales, marketing, service, and operations, and ways to attract affluent and wealthy clientele. Success in this exclusive category requires astute judgment and a focus on mastery. These brands become the choice of discerning clients. My focus? The premier business, committed to rising to the best in its category. Learn about my Premier Business Forum. The luxury business, rare quality and distinction. Learn about my luxury lifestyle advisors. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe and become among the best.